Yo people, wagwan, I don't know, it's the King Boss. Welcome back to RonsTechHub, and today I'm going to be looking at the DJI Mobile Receiver. This is going to allow you to have a device plugged into your phone, your laptop or your tablet with a smaller footprint versus the receiver that comes with a DJI Mic Mini, Mic 2 or Mic 3. I'm going to unbox it, show you what it looks like, compare it to the normal DJI Mic receiver, and finally I'm going to show you how to connect it to your Android phone. So this is a DJI Mic 3. It comes with one receiver and two transmitters. The receiver that comes in here is roughly about this size. It's not that this receiver is large, but it sticks out quite a bit and it's at a weird angle. So if I plug this into my Pixel 7, this is what it looks like on my Pixel 7. So it sticks out quite a bit that way, and it does have like a 90-degree angle as well. So it makes it a bit weird to still have the phone in your hand comfortably at all times and do what you need to do. This is where the mobile receiver comes in really handy. So let's do a quick unboxing of this. I bought this from Amazon for £14. And if you think about it, this £14 device coupled with a DJI Mic Mini, which comes in at roughly £24. So for roughly £40 with a single receiver, you get an amazing mic combination for your mobile phone. So if you're going to be doing vlogging or any type of video, to be fair, because right now I'm using my DJI Mic 3 paired with my Google Pixel 8 Pro to film this video. So you can definitely use your mobile phone as your main camera for whatever you're trying to get done. So if I unbox this quickly, let me just get in. That's the receiver there. Compared to the original device, very tiny. And again, inside here, and here we have the booklet. We're definitely not going to read this. We'll figure it out as we go. I don't think there's anything else inside this box. Nope, that's it. But DJI, next time, put the QR code somewhere in the box. Let's save some paper. Let's save the planet. Another reason why I think I want to use this device is to remove this receiver from the mobile phone. I feel I have to pinch the screen and I have to hold this part here to do it properly without breaking it. Otherwise, if I pull it off, I feel like stuff on there might be bending. So I hold it like this to brace it, then I put my thumb here and then I pull off. So not the worst thing in the world again, but you want something a bit more easier to handle, this might be the device for you. So look at the size comparison. When it plugs into the phone like this, look at the size comparison from the side, size comparison this way as well. I mean, this thing is at least, I would say, 3 times smaller, and it gives you the same quality. So amazing device for £14. If I quickly weigh this one, it comes in at roughly 5.8, let's just call it 6 grams for this one. And for the original receiver, 27 grams. It doesn't weigh that much, and the weight of this is not going to affect the USB-C port on your phone, but just to give some comparison, that's how much it weighs. So if we do a close-up, as we can see on the right-hand side here, we have TX1 and TX2. That's going to be transmitter 1, transmitter 2. On the bottom here, we have O, L, and H. So that's noise reduction, off, low, and high. And on the left-hand side, we have a USB-C port. This is going to allow us to charge the mobile phone or whatever device you're using whilst you're using the microphone. This is a really good feature. So if you're going to have really long extended sessions of recording and you're going to be far away from your phone, what I've done in the past, I've literally taped a portable charger to my tripod, plug something in, I plug the original mic in, have it charging the phone, have a fan blowing at the phone, and it filmed for like 2-3 hours, no problem. So this is going to be really nice and handy to do that as well. So this is my Android phone, Pixel 7. USB-C port. This will work for iPhone as well. I'm simply going to plug this in, and I'm going to have the writing facing me, but because this is USB-C, you could turn this in any direction you want, but I want to see the writing looking at me. Once you plug it in, it powers on straight away because it's getting power from the phone. So to connect your receiver and your microphone, what you need to do is to plug your receiver into your phone. It's going to start flashing green straight away, but what you need to do is simply double tap on the link button. So I'm going to press it twice quickly. 1, 2. That's now flashing blue. What I'm going to do now is on my DJI Mic 3, keep an eye on the blue light in the background there. I'm going to hold down the pairing button on here. That should turn blue as well, and that should now pair. So once again, you plug the receiver into your mobile phone, you ensure your microphone is on, you double tap the link button on the right hand side here, and you press and hold the link button on this device. Once both lights start flashing, I simply held down the link button on the receiver. Now everything is connected. All right, so let's do a quick test. I have the Blackmagic camera app running on my Pixel 7. I've got the microphone connected. So what I'm going to do is put this flat on the desk. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the setting on here so that it uses the microphone instead. So if you go to settings in the camera app for Blackmagic, scroll down to audio, and where it says audio source, you click on default, and I'm going to choose wireless mic RX. I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to go back to camera, and now that should be picking up audio only from this wireless microphone. So now to test it, I'm going to put this phone down flat on the desk. I'm going to start a recording. I can also start the recording from the microphone as well. So press the pair button once and it will start the recording. So I'm going to press it now. That's what you just heard and saw. So that's now recording. I'm going to move away from the basement. So I'm in the basement right now and I'm using my mic. I'm going to go up the stairs and go as far away from the phone as I can, just to show that this is connected wirelessly. Everything is working okay, and the quality is going to be decent. It's going to be really good. good. So testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Do I think it's worth it? 100%. For £14, it looks a bit small, I know. For £14, it gives you everything you need. It's easy to plug into your phone. It doesn't stick out too far, so it's very tiny. It's easy to pull out of your phone. It still gives you the same noise reduction feature, so off, low, and high. It still gives you the ability to link 2 microphones. It gives you the ability to actually charge your phone as well. So in terms of features, it gives you almost everything that you would get with a normal receiver. I guess the main difference would be on a normal receiver, you can increase and decrease the gain. Another reason I think this receiver is really good is that all the settings that you would normally change from the normal receiver can be changed in the app as well. So you can do every single thing you want to do from the app direct. So in any case, thanks for watching. Hopefully that was useful to someone. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. More stuff incoming, like a DJI Osmo Action 6.